So, the Huawei Pura 70 series has made its grand entrance onto the global stage, prompting eager anticipation regarding its pricing and availability details for consumers worldwide. As enthusiasts await the release, let's delve into the specifics of the flagship smartphone lineup and its latest features, poised to make a splash in the competitive market landscape. Pre-sale procedures have already commenced in several global regions, enticing prospective buyers with enticing offers, discounts, and exclusive gifts. To further facilitate accessibility, Huawei has introduced flexible installment payment options catering to diverse consumer preferences. In Malaysia, the official sale of the Huawei Pura 70 series is slated to commence post-May 25th, with pre-bookings currently underway. Interested buyers can secure their desired model by either placing a deposit or opting for full payment, ensuring priority access upon release. Moving on to Germany, Huawei has confirmed the commencement of deliveries for the Pura 70 models starting May 22nd. Meanwhile, eager enthusiasts can take advantage of the pre-order option available on the official website, offering enticing freebies and discounts to early birds. Similarly, in France, the official shipping of the Pura 70 series is scheduled to kick off on May 17, with consumers given the opportunity to reserve their preferred models ahead of time. In Spain, consumers can expect the release of their reserved Pura 70 models shortly after May 6, with attractive bundle offers available during the pre-sale phase. Shifting focus to the Philippines, shipping is set to commence post-May 17, accompanied by a range of enticing benefits, including mystery gifts and accidental damage protection. Additionally, consumers can avail themselves of exclusive offers by placing a deposit and receiving tokens as a bonus. For UAE residents, availability is anticipated by May 22nd, following subscription to the official Huawei store, which promises exclusive benefits and a free voucher upon registration. Meanwhile, in South Africa, the official sales launch of the Pura 70 series is scheduled for June 1st, with the pre-order phase commencing on May 15th. Subscribers to the Huawei store can expect to receive early bird vouchers as a token of appreciation. Highlighting the key features of the Pura 70 series, the lineup boasts the latest EMUI 14.2 operating system and powerful Kirin chipsets, promising unparalleled performance across all models. Additionally, AI functions integrated within the devices streamline daily tasks, while the advanced camera framework offers a transformative photography experience for enthusiasts. With its compelling features and widespread availability, the Huawei Pura 70 series is poised to make a significant impact in the global smartphone market. So, what do you guys think about the upcoming Huawei Pura 70 series? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, and as always, I will see you guys in my next video.